Hi dear sir, this is our QLQ disposable face mask earlobe welding machine 4-point model. The model number of this machine is QLQ ERM4. These two are the ultrasonic of the machine for welding the earlobe, two sides, and this is the control plane. You can see the mask should be put in this box, and then the mask will come out from here. For this new model machine, we changed a new system for pulling the mask because for the old model, this machine is with one lobe hand. But if the thickness of the mask is too thin, the mask cannot be taken out from this box easily by the lobe hand. So we changed a new pulling system for this machine. You can see the mask will be welded earlobe in here. And this is the cutter here. This one for cutting the earlobe. And also this side here. Now let's start the machine to see the result. Push the start button in here. You can see the mask will come out from this box. And then go to here for welding earlobe. The earlobe will in here, you can see, and also this side, and then in here, and the mask will come out from the machine in here. You can see we test the mask just now already. Now let's stop the machine first. Push the stop button, and let's see the result. You can see the strength of the earlobe is very good, and the welding position also is, the result also is very good. And also the back side. Let's see another mask. You can see the strength also is good, and the welding result also is good. And the back side. Okay, thank you for watching.